All right, so once you get everything out, obviously I did this at the wrong time. I got a full tank of gas, so some of that stuff leaked out. But make sure you tape this side up, tape this line up. Make sure these two lines is visible so you don't lose them. You gotta have this tool to get the ring off. And on two connectors I was showing, you gotta disconnect that to pull this out. Well, actually, to pull this out, this little blue thing, you're supposed to push down on these tabs and pull it up. But obviously that broke off. And these are the two connectors I was talking about. And I'm at the... Yeah, that fill filter is dirty as hell. That definitely need to be changed. So, all right, here goes the new fuel pump. That's how the new one look. Fuel filter looks pretty good. And the connector is good. Which I don't need the connector because I already got one. But it's good to have an extra one. Alright. After you install that, you're gonna wanna basically just do everything in reverse. The only hardest thing was, actually, let me get that gas up. I forgot about that. Alright, after you get that gas up from right there, you don't want your car smelling like gas, obviously. Where's that connector? Yeah, this one? Alright, both of these right there. Alright, cool. Gonna take that tape off. Put no connectors back on. This one ain't got no prongs on the bottom. So this is like that. This one go right there. And then go up in there. Alright, you put no connectors on. Then, alright, let's get her started. After you plug in the battery, start her up, make sure it's running properly. Make sure nothing blows up. Make sure it even starts too at that. From leaking, it's a good sign.